Oh my god, I look so Diana Ross right now. Like, I swear, I look so Diana Ross right now. What? Hello. I look Diana Ross right now. I do. I appreciate this, okay? So today guys, I'm going to be reviewing the shampoo and conditioner I received free for testing from Nature Queen Beauty. The first thing I want to show you guys is, or tell you guys, is that the products are all natural. I'm going to be listing the ingredients right here for you all to see. They are all natural. I haven't used different shampoos in my hair. Ever since I started my natural hair journey, I've been using African black soap shampoo that I make myself. And so when they contacted me and asked me to try their shampoo and conditioner, I was a little skeptical, but you know what? It's all good, it's all natural. So I said, let's try this thing. No harmful chemicals, no parabens, no added color, no artificial fragrance. And off the back, it smells herbal, it smells natural. When you open it up, it's brown, it's thick. You see how thick this is? Yeah. It looks like honey, doesn't it? And it smells really natural. It smells like a herbal store. And it's thick and it's nice. I don't mind the smell, but if you all don't like medicated smell, then it's not for you. Now, I washed my hair yesterday. When I washed my hair with it, the first application, my hair was really dirty. So the first application, I applied it in parts and it wasn't sudsing much. Then I washed it out and I said, you know what, to heck with it. I left my hair open out and I washed it out. And I can tell you all, it cleans your hair. Took out, if I had dirt in my brain, it took out the dirt. It works really well to clean your hair and cleanse your hair. It was a bit stripping, I'm not gonna lie, my hair felt really dry after. So I added my Aussie 3-minute moisture just to replace the moisture that came out, because whenever you shampoo your hair, no matter what shampoo you use, it strips your hair of your natural oils and whatnot. However, it felt really good on my scalp. I got a nice clean feeling. My scalp feels so good right now, but it is stripping to your hair, so that's something to note if you're natural. And my hair is very porous, so you all know what it is. That's why I added the Aussie 3-minute moisture. I left it in my hair for 3 minutes. I didn't do a full steam. And I think I should have done a full steam, but it's all good. I washed it out and then I added the conditioner, and this is the consistency. You see, it's not that thick, right? It's a little runny. Once you're natural, you know that we naturals use a lot of conditioner. So I would use a dime size of shampoo, but I would use a football size of conditioner. And the conditioner, I felt like I needed to use a lot. I needed a little more conditioner in my hair. So that's something to look out for. If your hair is very porous and it's really long, you all know that we'll use half a bottle of conditioner in a one. So I did have to add some more conditioner because I needed to have more product here to review for you. But the conditioner, it did its job. If you're buying this, you're gonna have to buy a big bottle, obviously, because especially if your hair is porous like mine. Right? All in all, I would say the shampoo did its job. It's just a little stripping, and the conditioner, it did its job, right? But you're gonna have to use a little more product if your hair is porous like mine. If you're 4C and you want to try it because it's natural ingredients, go right ahead and try it and you tell me what your experience was like. But that was just my experience. Everyone's experience is different, and that was just my experience. I'm thankful to Nature Queen for sending me this product to use in my hair. I think the 16-ounce shampoo and conditioner retail for $45 US right now. But I see if it's just a one-time purchase, it's gonna be that price. But if you subscribe, you'll get it for $40 or $39 on the website. So I'm gonna leave a link in the description. So the upcoming clip, you are gonna see how I took down my African threading, and this is just how I detangled my hair and how it came out after. So guys, I undid all of the African threading, and as I said, I used regular weaving thread to do this. And now I'm going to undo my hair, right? So I'm just going to undo the plaits, because I did say I had it in plaits first, so let's go. Now I'm going to put some whipped shea butter. It's kind of melted on my fingertips so that it would glide through and come out easier. My hair doesn't feel bad, it actually feels pretty soft and nice, but then of course I did my LOC method, so that also had a lot to do with it. But my hair feels pretty good, it's not breaking or anything. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Trendy Mom Beauty is out, guys. Bye!